girl. What's wrong? What happened?
What the fuck, Tully? Are you fucking kidding me?
Well, boys, that is so sweet.
Rubber duck hand in the tub.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
Let go! Let go! Pablo, let go! Fucker!
Kaiser, what are you doing? Let's go.
Give me that now! You ready, Piggy? Let him know.
I know. Yeah, you're done. She's not.
First, stop. There she goes.
I woke him up half an hour early.
2, 1.
I'm about to lock the darn door! Get your ass out of my dryer right now! Get out of my dryer!
That's not what that is at all. You know what that is? That's called a...
Excuse me, sir. Do you know how to get to the beach?
Gordo.
I don't know if that's no fear or short on brains.
Yeah, you can have mama's love. But I'm gonna get you a dad, though. You want a daddy? You want a dad?
Who's being a bad boy? Who's being a bad boy?
Bien, golpéalo. Muy bien.
1, 2, 3, loons! Oh, thank God.
No!
Hi, can I touch you?
Whisper. Whisper.
What's wrong?
No. No, stop it.
Boy, what the hell is that? See, hell, why you ain't telling me I know?
Hi, Rush. He's a good boy. You baby too, Rush? Oh. Hi, honey. How are you?
Whisper. Whisper. Good.
He's looking for a kiss.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah. Oh.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
La cintura y posteriormente va a tener una revisión en donde va a subir el olfato. Ahí vemos nuevamente abajo.
Are you mad? Come here. Come. Come.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Where's it gone?
Check. Off it. Hey, check. Off it.
Who is she?
That fucking...
Leo! Leo! No!
Who's biting this? Who's being a bad boy?
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.
I don't mind.
What is in your mouth?
Gentle. Oh my god.
Where's it gone?